So this is just an update of the circuit breakers that I'm putting in for 3 different panels. 3D printed a rear mount which was warping, but it's done the job. It's pretty hidden. So the cables are going down through these holes, and this is useful for just shutting down the solar panel. Maybe at night I can turn the Delta 2 Max off just by clicking both of these. This is going to be hidden. Maybe I'll put a conduit in. A third one is going to be ordered for the EcoFlow panels, 200 watt in parallel. So I'll connect that up. Maybe 3D print a conduit around here to cover these ugly wires, or just use the white wire cover. But at least now I can easily turn on and off the panels instead of disconnecting the MC4 every night. I'll just flip the switches